If you want to map walks or runs in Google Maps, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Google Maps, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, go ahead and select your location. Let's say for example, that location, right? Now you're gonna see a pop-up window. Now what you're gonna do, save that location first and select a new list and name that list and give it a description. And after you created it, just hit create at the top right, and now you created that list. Now what you're gonna do, go ahead and select the second option, measure distance, right? And then you're gonna be able to measure that distance from point A to point B, and you're gonna see right here 24.395 kilometers, and then hit the plus button, and then you're gonna be able to see how many kilometers that it's gonna take for you to get to that specific locations, whether it was for like by walking or hiking or driving a car or a bus. So let's read on the comments of this video. I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.